Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw apple and coloring the apple beautifully. Let's start step by step process of this drawing and coloring. Now we draw another apple. Now we'll start the coloring process. We use red, yellow, orange and green, white colors for little bit shades, and we use the black color to do backside shading. Observe the colors which I am using and which color I am using first and which color I am using followed by the next color. Almost I finished coloring of apples, and now I started working on the background and shading the background of these apples. So this background will give you enhancing the picture. See how realistic and how effective these apples, and it is very fresh look, realistic. Okay, let's try this apple drawing and coloring. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for my next video. if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share to your friends and your relatives. Thank you. See you in my next video.